Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a link to like a shape or even text in Canva. So I'm just going to grab this text here, and then I'm just going to choose a text, this one, and I'm just going to wait for it to load. I'm just going to add it, and I'm just going to change the font. No, I'm not. I'm going to blur it, I mean. Where is the adjustments tool? This is not what I wanted. Okay, here it is. Blur. It's just so you can see the text a little bit better. Okay, here it is. Select the text or the shape or whatever, right click and select link. Then you're going to just enter a link here, and then you're just going to press enter. That means you have a link if you have this like underlined kind of thing on your text. If you do use shape, it's not going to show up, but if you use text, the underline will show up. And yeah, that is basically how you can add in a link. People can just right click and then go to that link here. As you can see, this like pop-up icon, it says go to link. They can just go to the link once you've done that. That's how you can add a link to your objects on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!